Hello there guys, this is Lee from United RC Bros, and today we are out with my newly nitro converted to brushless Hobao Hyper 7 with some ST parts. It's got an ST bumper and stuff.
It's quite the hybrid.
Yeah.
Just finished building it.
It's got a aftermarket chassis, it's got some upgrades to the braces, it's got aluminium body posts, it's got carbon fibre steering top plate, it's also got double the thickness shock towers, it's got some chunky ass wheels, it's got some hex extenders.
Which will probably be removing for slightly smaller wheels because it's huge.
The aftermarket chassis, which is pretty clean. Got this car for £50 local. I picked it up nitro. It didn't come with an engine, it only came with
all the upgrades,
fuel tank and all the upgrades.
A roller.
Yeah, and we just recently finished it. We put a battery tray in it. We put a Cast Creations 2650 kV
which
motor.
You would have seen in my buggy from my XT2, which I sold.
We put a 4S capable ESC because we're only going to be running on 4S for now, maybe 6S in the future, but not yet. We've got a tactic remote which we salvaged from a Armour Granite. We've got a, I think it's 10 kilo servo.
From the XTM as well.
We've had to, it came with a 62 tooth MT spur, and that was far too big, so this mount, like, it was coming out into the middle of the mount, as you'll see in pictures.
We put the XT2 mount in it and we had to modify it.
We had to sand down the outside of the spur gear, like the outdrive bit. So
just so we could fit the drives in to get the pins into the original diff.
So yeah, and that's what we've done. And we're running, right now we're running a 3S 5000 mAh 50C continuous. And yeah, we're going to be putting a 4S in it after, which that'll be mental.
And now, please explain what happened when you attempted to program the ESC a moment ago.
To program the ESC, basically we had some technical difficulties.
You did.
My arm got a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, he didn't realise he was in the calibration mode, so he calibrated neutral as full throttle. It went full throttle, I had to catch it, and that's what happened to his arm because, you know, he decided to be beyond the back wheels of it. And yeah, it wasn't resting on anything, it was on the floor.
And it's also got these pinkish purple, like, braces between them.
Oh yeah, and if you followed us on Instagram, you would have seen the bright yellow shell that come with this.
That has now been spray painted red as of today.
And he'll be finishing that at some point, so let's go for a first run around the track.
Yep.
That's 3S. Let's go. You sure you need 4S for this? This punch is only level 5. On the stock setting. I put the brake up to 50. It's got a drag brake over 40. So it should be very well balanced. You can't miss it with these yellow rocks. I think that's mostly what they can see on camera. These big wheels to help as well. It's probably got tons of grip with these. Should try speed run.
water.
I bet it's out the track. Hello guys, so we're going to be running our granite and the new buggy on the RC track just over there, and we run into a problem. Got to fix my granite's rear slipper plate that's loose, otherwise I'll be running front wheel drive.
Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.
No!
Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.
Again in slow-mo.
Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.
So I get go.